Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. We replaced the grinder on this espresso machine. This is the old grinder, and put a new grinder in here. And it's actually not new. It's a grinder from European Gift and Housewares, which is the Pavoni distributor, and they gave us a used grinder that they said was in good condition. And that's what the customer wanted, so that's what we did. And let's go ahead and test the grinder. I don't always make the best shots when I'm doing this with one hand. This is also our test coffee, so it's a little bit old, but you can see we get a nice fine grind, and it goes finer than this. I had to make it coarser because it was not even going through really when I went on the finest setting, but one-handed tamping is not ideal. Yeah, you can see we have a nice flow. Not great crema, but you know why. Coffee's older and one-handed tamping / grinding. Let's do a little steam just to show that it's working. It'll take us a moment. One of the reasons people love this Napolitana espresso machine is because the grinder and the espresso machine are all built into one unit, and you can kind of see how, for those of you who have a machine where the grinder is separate, it does a nice job of keeping the coffee grounds inside the machine mostly. I've been grinding lots of coffee with this machine to get it calibrated, and you can see how there isn't a whole lot of mess. You know, it's not perfect, but it's better than some. And so let's go ahead and test the steam. Dump this out. See, the machine has nice hot steam. I think the customer had some issues with the steam leaking a little bit. I see that happening a little bit here, but it's interesting because before we opened it, it wasn't leaking at all, and now after you go from open to close, there is a little bit of a leak. But it's this repair has already been quite expensive, and I think, you know, you might be able to get it fixed with just the O-rings, but chances are the whole valve has to be replaced. That's the only way to reliably fix this issue. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.